I want to have the freedom to browse, freedom to use the internet as I want to.
The internet should be free for everybody and everything.
The speeds in our country anyway suck, and if you bring in such concepts, then the speeds will get even worse.
Internet is one space that should be absolutely free for everyone.
I already pay my phone bill and I pay a data bill along with that phone bill. So why should I pay extra?
I don't want to be paying for everything. Tomorrow you'll say pay for the air that you breathe. The internet is luxury. It's become a necessity in this day and age. And forget businesses. People can't function without the internet these days.
For me, I see that's a medium of education. That's a medium where how you spread awareness, and especially in a country like India, now that the smaller cities are catching up on that medium, this is one space that should be absolutely open to everyone.
Net neutrality, it is a right of every Indian. They should protect their rights. Government should be able to give them enough liberty so that this discrimination should not take place, where few of the bigger companies like Airtel or maybe it is a Flipkart, they should be able to take advantage of this net neutrality.
In the internet today, we have a lot of applications that come over, a lot of pop-ups that come over. So if we are going to be charged for each and every application that we update, then it becomes really expensive.
We already subscribe to a net pack. There's no reason why it should be separate for separate websites.
It does not make sense paying separately, because again you'll be investing for nothing. So when you're paying once and for all, it's better you get all the services together, because I think it makes sense. It's equal rights for all of the websites.
The awareness levels just about technology, about what's happening in your environment is so much higher just because of the internet. So I see that as a big growth in the country. So I feel that is the reason why it should be free for everyone.
कि हम तो पैसा दे रहे थे आपको, ब्रॉडबैंड है तो महीना का 800-850 रुपया लेता है. That's it. But what we see it and we do not see it, it is not their problem. हम कुछ भी कर ले. So it is totally wrong.
It's a time where we should be given free Wi-Fi and free 3G network, whereas now for everything the government is going to charge us. We should stop this.
Net neutrality is a must. We should take proactive steps to ensure net neutrality is maintained.
I disagree with what the telecom companies are wanting to do. I've already signed the petition and I want everybody else to also sign the petition.
That's why I'm in favor of net neutrality.
I have done my bit for net neutrality.
I do think that if there is no net neutrality, we'll all be regressing into the Stone Age.
This is internet, not DTH.